Welcome back to 5 Min Smart, the only channel you need to sound like the absolute smartest person in the room. I am your host, Liam. Today, we are diving into the biggest, loudest, and most expensive topic on Wall Street, artificial intelligence. Joining me to decode the hype is our resident expert, Alice. How are you doing today, Alice?
Hi, I am doing fantastic, Liam, though I must admit my mind is spinning a bit from all the AI news lately.
You and me both. It feels like every single day, a new tech company announces an AI breakthrough, and their stock price shoots to the moon. But recently, I have been hearing a terrifying word creeping into the conversation. Bubble. Are we really in an AI bubble?
It is the million-dollar question, Liam, or rather, the trillion-dollar question. To understand this, we need to hop into a time machine and go back to the late 90s, the dot-com bubble. Back then, if a company simply added .com to their name, investors threw money at them. When people realized those websites were not making any actual profit, the bubble burst violently.
Right, that completely ruined the stock market for years. So, are people saying the exact same thing is happening right now, just with the letters A and I instead of .com?
Exactly. Right now, tech giants are spending tens of billions of dollars on AI infrastructure. They are buying massive amounts of computer chips, building giant data centers, and training complex models. The spending is astronomical.
Okay, but wait. If they are spending all that money, they must be making it back, right? People are paying for premium AI subscriptions everywhere.
And that is exactly where the bubble fears come from. The money going into building AI is massive, but the revenue coming out of AI is relatively small so far. Wall Street calls this the return on investment problem. If tech companies build all these supercomputers, but everyday businesses are not buying enough AI software to justify the cost, the math simply does not work out.
Wow. So basically, they are building the most expensive and advanced highway in human history, but right now, there are only a few cars actually paying the toll to drive on it?
Haha, that is a perfect analogy, Liam. Investors are starting to ask, when will these companies actually show us the profit? If that profit takes too long to arrive, investors might panic, sell their stocks, and pop the bubble.
Okay, that sounds incredibly risky. Should normal people be worried about this? Does this mean AI is just a scam?
Oh, definitely not a scam. And this is the most important distinction we have to make. A stock market bubble is about financial valuation, not the technology itself. During the dot-com crash, internet stocks collapsed, but the internet itself obviously changed the world forever.
Ah, I see. So even if the stock prices of AI companies crash tomorrow, the actual AI technology is still going to revolutionize how we work, write, and live.
Precisely. The hype in the stock market might be a bubble, but the productivity gains from artificial intelligence are very real. It is here to stay, and it will keep evolving.
This is fascinating. So for our listeners who are grabbing lunch with their coworkers today, what is the ultimate 5 Min Smart takeaway?
If your coworkers mention the crazy tech stocks, just drop this line. The stock market might be in an AI bubble due to slow profits, but the technology itself is not a bubble. We are just waiting for the revenue to catch up with the revolution.
Boom! You just won the lunch table. Thank you so much, Alice. And to all our brilliant listeners, if this video made you smarter today, consider fueling our next deep dive by buying us a coffee on Ko-Fi. The link is in the description. Hit subscribe, stay smart, and we will see you tomorrow.